Namaste to all. This is a short video on how are you going to join the sessions, how will you participate in the question answer tab, and the third one is how are you going to give the attendance and feedback. So let me just start with the first one. So day wise schedule will be shared with you all either in a mail or in a PDF format. So in that you would be given the meeting URL. So you just have to click on the meeting URL and it will directly open in a web browser. If it does not open, just copy this, and I am opening a web browser right now. So in the web browser you can paste the same link. As soon as you do this, in case if Microsoft Teams software or app is already installed in your PC, it might happen like mother, father or brother and sister might be using that particular thing. So instead, if that is installed, it will like ask you if you want to open the software or not. So for now, if we want to watch this particular thing on laptop or PC, we just have to click on cancel. You can watch the video on your mobile also. So on mobile also you can all these live sessions you can watch the same on your watch the same through the mobile also. So now on a PC, on a laptop, I'm just trying to open this. So it might happen like if Microsoft Teams is not installed, this option will not be shown to you. If it is shown, it is better that we do click cancel. So I just hit on cancel option over here. Now again, there are two options. Either I can download the app, okay, or I will be just watching on the web. So downloading and installing, it might be like some issue might arise on that particular part. So it is good like we just click on this watch on the web instead. So as soon as you click on this, it will take you further, and over here if in case you do have an email ID with which you are joined with the domain of SVKM, so that you can use over here, but now we do not have the email IDs, so we just have to click on this particular option, that is join anonymously. Okay, so now you will be clicking on this particular option, that is of join anonymously. I'm just clicking over here. So this is what we have to do, and I am there inside the session. As soon as I do login to the session, it is showing me that the event has not started. So as soon as the concerned person who is there going to take the session, as soon as he starts the session will automatically start. You just have to be over here, no need to worry and no need to like panic over anything, because the session will be starting in some time. Whether we are there in the right session or not, in order to check that, the first thing is every link as soon as you do login, so it might happen like you might be confused. So you can see here in the name itself the things are written properly. Still, if you do want to get confirmed, just click on this small I icon over here. Okay, so on this information icon, if you do click, so here it will show you the title as well as the appropriate time and date. So it is scheduled for 10th of August and it will start at 9:30 AM. So this is how you can just log into the directly Microsoft Teams. So this was the first thing what we will be doing over here. The second thing is, if like inside the meeting if we have any question and answer, so in that case just click on this option over here, question and answer. So as soon as you click on this, you do have an option of featured, wherein whatever questions other are trying to ask, so you will be seeing all those questions over here. And if you want to ask a question yourself, just click on this my question tab, or you can also see the same over here, ask a question option. Just click on my question tab, and over here do keep a note this thing on keep a note of this thing. Please do write your SAP ID. So whatever your SAP ID is there, just do write that SAP ID and then write your name, and then you can ask your question over here. So whatever your question is there, you can ask your question in this particular space, and then you can hit this particular next button which is over here. So as soon as you do click the send button, your question will be sent to the concerned person over here. Okay, so this is what needs to be done. So first, joining an event, just wait when you do login into the event. Then the next part is for attendance. For attendance, similarly, inside the meeting, like when you are there inside this particular session, so inside this session itself, inside this session, in the chat over here, so in the chat, as soon as the session starts or somewhat when the session is about to end, you will be given an attendance link. So this attendance link would be somewhat like this. So you just have to copy the attendance link, or else you can directly click on the link which will be there in this featured tab over here in the question and answer. Please do not forget to press this. Once you do press, then only the question and answer tab would be visible to you. When you do have this particular link in the browser itself, you can just go to the next tab and click on the link. So this would be the attendance form, session wise, day wise. This is the attendance form. Please do keep a note over here. Sometimes instead of SAP ID, many students have sent their mobile number also, or in the SAP ID they do forget to write 1 or 2 digits. So it is advised that please do carefully fill this particular SAP ID. In case, in the worst case, if still someone does not fill the SAP ID properly, so in that case we have some other fields with the help of which we will be trying to trace you. So just write your proper name and do choose the proper campus. So over here, based on the campus, the other questions are going to pop up. So hence we are just sharing this particular attendance form. Just click on the proper campus, just click next. As soon as you click on next, what program you have enrolled, based on that you would be given the further branches. So in this particular page over here, in the second section, if I do click BTech, so all the BTech programs which are there for the Mumbai campus, those will be available to me. Then for example, for BTI, whatever programs are there, for MBA Tech, whatever programs are there, for MCA, we do not have any subsection over here, hence this is directly blank. So program specific, this particular tab is there. Make sure you do choose the proper program over here. So for example, this is my program. I just hit next button, and this is the last tab over here. So 7 small questions are there, wherein in the first 3 questions only some data entry is there. Over here you will be just giving the feedback and you will be clicking on submit. So this is what is to be done at the end or during the session, whenever in this question and answer tab the concerned moderator publishes this particular attendance feedback link. Okay, thank you.